Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're doing something a bit different. We're taking a close look at just one source,
Mhm.
a professional resume. But we're not just reading it, are we? Our mission is to really unpack the key insights, the impactful stuff.
Yeah.
Specifically from this profile showing 5 years in, well, the very busy fields of data analytics and consulting.
And it's a brilliant source for a deep dive, actually. Because, a resume isn't just a list of jobs. It's really a story,
A narrative, yeah.
a narrative of impact, of potential. And this one, Dinesh Kumar's profile, it's a fantastic case study. Really shows what makes someone stand out.
Okay, so let's jump in. What's the first thing that really grabs you? I mean, that 5 year stretch is pretty solid, right? In data analytics and consulting.
Definitely signals commitment.
Yeah, sustained commitment. But for me, it's the blend of skills. You've got the core tech stuff, Python, SQL, which, okay, you expect me.
All right, the foundation.
But then generative AI gets mentioned, and cloud platforms like AWS. And alongside that, you see client engagement, marketing ROI analysis, loyalty design. It's like the whole package.
It really is. It's not just listing tools. It's showing they're applied to actual business problems. That's the key difference.
Right.
And what's really insightful here, I think, is how it goes beyond just, I know Python. It's about the results. Look at the awards.
Ah, yes, the awards.
It's the analytics ace. Okay, what does that mean?
Yeah.
Probably delivering some high-impact insights, right?
Yeah,
Stuff
yeah.
that change things.
Makes sense.
Then the Project Champion Award.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds like consistent quality, reliability, maybe even leading projects.
Someone you can count on.
Exactly. And the Wizard of ZS. That's internal recognition from a big consulting firm, ZS Associates.
Yeah.
For tech delivery across different teams. That's significant.
Yeah, these aren't just participation trophies. They signal real, recognized achievement.
Absolutely. Consistent delivery, often in tricky collaborative settings.
Though it's not just the official stuff, the jobs and awards, what I found really interesting, what kind of elevates it, are the extracurriculars.
Mm-hmm. Tell me more.
Well, things like being city captain. Okay, sounds like organizing events. But for 80-plus team members, that's leadership, that's community building, proactive stuff.
Right, taking initiative beyond the day job.
Totally. Or being the SQL trainer for new joiners. Over 120 hires. Designing and delivering sessions. That shows, well, deep understanding, sure, but also a commitment to lifting the whole team up, tackling onboarding time.
Which is a huge pain point in many organizations.
Right.
So that's solving a real business need, actually, not just teaching.
Exactly. And then just being a mentor and onboarding buddy for 5 people, it shows that commitment to developing talent. It rounds out the picture, doesn't it?
It really does. So if we kind of pull back and look at the whole thing, this profile, Dinesh Kumar's, it's not just about having skills. It's about using those skills consistently, driving measurable business outcomes. Like you said, optimizing data validation for huge data sets,
Yeah.
or that 40% lift in conversion with A/B testing.
Concrete results.
Concrete results, yeah. And showing leadership, not just through title, but through, well, action. Mentoring, training, building community.
So, okay, let's connect this back. What does this all mean for you listening in?
Mm-hmm.
Well, whether you're maybe looking to polish your own profile, or you're trying to spot top talent, or you just want to understand what really makes a difference in these fields,
Yeah.
this deep dive kind of shows the power of combining that technical skill with strategic thinking, and importantly, that commitment to mentorship and community.
It's about more than just the tasks.
Way more. It's about actively shaping things,
Mhm.
influencing the environment around you.
And, it raises a bigger question, perhaps. In this age of, well, super fast tech changes, where skills can sometimes feel like commodities, what value do we really put on people who not only handle the complex data side, but also actively build up their teams, train others, and consistently deliver results that go way beyond just their own specific job description?
That's a really critical point to think about. What truly differentiates?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe something for you to mull over is, what elements from this kind of approach could you bring into your own work?
Yeah.
Thinking about not just doing your job, but how you can actively shape, lead, and drive impact in your own space. Impact that gets noticed beyond just a line item.
Food for thought, definitely.